Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to show you
VEXcode. VEXcode VR. And it's like Scratch. So first,
if you know Scratch, you might want to try this too.
Yeah, so first we're going to drive
forward.
And
then set. Move robot down. Pen down. Move robot pen down. Then we need a while block. While the distance is bigger than 1,000.
1,000.
Okay, distance is in the sensing.
Well, distance in millimeters is more than 1,000.
Then set robot pen color to red.
Yes. Okay.
Then we need another while block.
Okay.
Then we're gonna if the millimeters is bigger than 500.
Okay. Distance in millimeters
is bigger than 500. Then set robot color to blue.
Okay.
Okay. Then it will stop driving if it's less than 500.
Okay.
I think when it starts, it will drive forward. Then move robot pen down. Then while the distance is bigger than 1,000 millimeters, it will set the robot pen color to red. Then if the distance is less than 1,000 and bigger than 500, it will set the robot pen color to blue. Then it will stop driving.
Okay, so we're going to go to playgrounds.
We're going to do grid map.
Yeah, there are different kinds of
maps.
Playgrounds and maps, yes.
We're going to choose grid maps.
Yeah, okay. And then
there's 2D and 3D.
Okay, we're going to run it.
In 2D first?
Yeah. So first is red. It's still red because it's more than 1,000.
Now it's changed blue.
Now it has stopped.
Because it's less than 500 millimeters now. Let's do it to 3D now. Stop it first.
3D.
Then we press reset.
Okay. And run it.
No, we do 3D first. See. It changed blue.
Now it stopped because the object in front of it is less than 500
millimeters. Next, we're going to show you another fun project.
So we're going
to throw these blocks to trash. We're going to do a different playground. It's very fun. We're going to forever loop and drive forward.
Then we're going to playground.
We'll do another playground this time. And it's called Dynamics Castle Crasher. Okay. See, so it's dynamic. It's very fun, too. It's like there will be castle, and the robot will crash into it. But it can fall down, too.
Okay.
Let's do 3D. Okay, let's press run. And there is Python 2. We're going to show you after it falls down.
Oh.
And the robot's going to fall down. Oh no. Bye-bye.
It's going to fall forever. Okay.
Yeah. So I'll stop it.
And then close it. To switch it to Python, just press that.
Nope. Wrong button. This button. And there's the Python code.
And then
that's
it for today.
Thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel up there. Bye-bye.